Hello dear friend, this is UV flatbed printer YC2513L. It can print all kinds of sheet materials such as glass, ceramic tile, acrylic, wood, fiberboard, leather, etc. Adopt Japanese imported print head for high speed and high resolution printing quality. Applied for decoration, advertising, and furniture customized design industry. With different configurations to meet high speed and varnish printing, 3D embossed effect. Easy operation and maintenance. Welcome, contact us for more details. Thank you.